Another question that we get is, how do I change my voicemail pin? Either I can't remember it or I just want to change it. It's a simple process. There's a couple of ways we can do it. If you're an app user, you can change it right in the app. You come to settings, then down from general to phone. And we just look, when you open up the phone, normally it's going to have incoming calls, and you're just going to scroll down to voicemail, voicemail greeting, voicemail pin. I can come in here, now I can change it. If I hit HHH, it says no, you don't want to do that. It's only digits, so only numbers. Now, I'm not going to change mine right now, so I'm just going to come back out. If you change it, you'll type it in twice and hit save. The other place that we can do this is, let's say you're a physical phone user and you don't have the application, you can go to service.ringcentral.com and come in here. You will get the overview. You choose my extension. You'll have the overview. We'll come to settings, and it's the exact same process. Under the phone, you get call rules, voicemail, and we just scroll down till we come to the voicemail pin. And here it is. Now I can change it, and I can change my voicemail pin, type it in twice, and hit save.